If you are not able to run your robot, then you might have made a small mistake somewhere. So let's together look at the debugging techniques and solve the problem. Debugging of 7805 voltage regulator IC. Make sure you have connected the 7805 voltage regulator IC correctly. In this, the first pin is input, the second pin is ground, and the third pin is output. Debugging of IR sensor. Remember that the first pin of the IR module is VCC, the second pin is output, and the third pin is ground. See whether a wire is connected from the output of the IR sensor to one of the legs of the current limiting resistor. Make sure that the current limiting resistor is of 10 kilo ohm resistance. Check whether the wire from the VCC is connected to the 5 volt power rail. After that, check whether the wire from the ground pin is connected to the ground rail properly or not. Debugging of transistor. Remember to use a NPN transistor in this case. Make sure the flat surface of the transistor is towards the front. Check whether the current limiting resistor is connected to the base of the transistor. Make sure you have connected the emitter to the ground. Check whether the collector of the transistor is connected to one of the legs of the coils of the relay. Debugging of relay. Check that you have inserted the relay to the slots properly. All the pins should have been inserted to the breadboard. The relay should be connected in the middle of the component segment. Make sure the upper 4 pins are connected to the upper segment of the component segment and the lower 4 pins are connected to the lower segment of the component segment as shown on your screen. Checking the relay and motor connection. Collector of the transistor is to be connected to one of the legs of the coils of the relay. Make sure the other leg of the coil is connected to the power supply correctly. Check whether you have connected the second common pin to the power supply 5 volts. Also check whether the first common pin is connected to the ground. Check whether the left motor wires are connected to the common pins of the relay having the same polarity, that is, the positive wire has been connected to the 5 volts and the negative wire is connected to the ground. In case of the right motor, check whether the positive is connected to the lower NO pin and the negative wire is connected to the upper NO pin. Check whether the wire connection from upper NC to lower NO and lower NC to upper NO is done properly, as it will be the key factor in reversing the polarity.